Hey everyone, it's Paul Drexler with travelislife.org, and I'm going to show you quickly how to make Google.com your default search engine within Chrome browser. If you're like me, you start all of your searches right here in the address bar. Let's do an example, hotels for Asheville, NC. That's my hometown. And you can see it brings me to the google.com.co version of the site because I'm in Medellin, Colombia right now making this video. But I don't want that. Because of what I do for a living, I need to see what the USA search results are, not what the local search results are for whatever country I'm in at the time. So here's how to change your default search engine from Google whatever country you're in to Google.com. Start out over here and go down to your Chrome settings. Scroll down until you see search engines, manage search engines, click that, and down here right next to other search engines you'll see add. I'm going to click add. For the search engine I'm going to type google.com travel just to give me a heads up. For the keyword I'll do the same thing. These are just for your reference. It really doesn't matter what you write there. This is the important part. The URL, that's what you want to put in there right there. Below this video, you can click on the link and you can copy and paste. I have this exact URL referenced for you in the article. So just copy and paste that, click it here, and enter add. Click add. Okay. Now, scroll down into your other search engines. Your list may be longer or shorter. And see your new google.com travel, whatever you called it. Click the options next to it and make it your default. Now, let's jump back over and I'll type in hotels in Asheville, NC. Really doesn't matter, just an example. And you can see that I'm now seeing the results in google.com. And that's all you've got to do. I hope it helps you. If that's something that's been a point of pain in your life while you're traveling, always having to go to, before I was doing this, I was just having to go to google.com and entering my search right there, which of course works, but every step counts when you're using your computer. And so I hope this saves you a lot of time. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.